in sociology paper 1 answer writing, you should take care of two things. First one is content. In the content, make sure that you include thinkers. Thinkers can be major thinkers which are mentioned in the syllabus, minor thinkers which come sometimes, not often, in the question papers, critiques. These critiques can say the negative features of either the minor thinkers or the major thinkers, that means the major sociologists who are mentioned in the syllabus, and sometimes there are scholars who come in the news. So, these are the thinkers that you should have a collection of. Second one is perspective. By perspective we refer to theories. For example, we have functional, conflict perspective, interpretive perspective, feminist, postmodern. These are the few perspectives that you should keep on your fingertips. If you can remember more perspectives, then it is very good. Third one is that because it is first paper, that is why you should be aware of what is happening in the West, mainly Europe, US, UK. If you can note down some examples, then it will be very good. And any kind of research which is taking place at some international bodies. And fourth, last but not the least, very important, this will add value to your answer and will show the examiner that you have understood the concept and you have applied it to Indian society. Note down regular examples from the newspapers or any monthly compilation. Also try to fit in thinkers wherever it is possible. If there are functionalists who have also studied Indian society, if there are conflict perspectives, if there are interpretive perspectives, then you can include these. Also feminist. We have very important village studies. Now and then these are used in studying Indian society. Try to put them also while writing the answer. So, this is about the content, that means thinker, perspectives, West, Europe, US, UK and India. Second one is about the structure, how you are going to write the structure or what will be the style of your answer writing. This is the general structure which everyone follows, that means introduction, body, conclusion. There are two types of questions which are asked, 10 marker and 20 marker. In 10 marks, the intro has to be short, 2-3 lines, they are sufficient. You can write either the definition or give a small background, although in most cases definition is okay, or you can just write a connecting line which gives an idea to the examiner that what is going to follow in the body. If you do not remember the thinker, then please simply write the definition, do not mention any thinker, do not write any incorrect thinker. Body is about thinker. So, here whenever you write the answer, in a 10 marker, you have to start the answer immediately, write direct points. Please do not beat about the bush or write anything extra. Nothing extra has to be written. In the conclusion, write 2-3 lines and end the answer on a positive note, on a futuristic note. If you have written some negative points or you have tried to write some critique, always make sure that your positive points are more than the negative points. Then you have to write a 20 marker. Here try to write one paragraph, but in most cases for a 20 marker it is advisable to go for a background approach. Do not repeat points because in a 20 marker sometimes you do not have content and therefore you tend to repeat the same points. Do not do so. Try to include a para point format. Do not go for a para format entirely, but try to break the para into smaller points. Thinkers are must. In the body you should have thinkers. In the conclusion, one paragraph once again. Try to include critique. If it's a 20 marker question, it does not matter whether it has been asked or not, because critique will give you a balanced outlook to the answer. If you remember a thinker or any good line which gives a proper conclusion to the answer, then you can write that. So, in the structure, introduction, body, conclusion. In the body, thinker is a must, do not repeat, and try to formulate para point structure and also Do not write anything extra in 10 marker, and if possible write critique in a 20 marker. So, this is how you are going to approach answer writing in paper 1.